Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Chinese whole chicken. If you want to learn how to make it, please keep watching, but do not forget to subscribe and like. And if you guys have any questions, please comment down below, just to let YouTube know that you guys are engaging to my videos. That would be much appreciated, and just keep watching. For this recipe, you will need a whole chicken. Make sure it is a whole young chicken because the meat just tastes better when you make it because it's young, it's tender. I got this from Cup Foods, so we're gonna need that. We also need rice vinegar. You can use this for sushi, but you also can use this to cook. You'll need that. You'll need just regular soy sauce. You'll need the black soy sauce. You will also need the chicken marinade. You will need brown sugar, cinnamon sticks, ginger, garlic, star anise, 2 bay leaves, green onions, and half a yellow onion, half a cup of the soy sauce. There we go. And then half a cup of this rice wine. There we go. And then we are going to put the brown sugar in. We are going to need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1. 2. And I am just going to stir it so that the sugar kind of dissolves. When you eat it, you really don't want any sugar chunks, you know. There you go. And then I am going to put in this chicken. I'm going to use half a cup also. There we go. And then 1 stick of cinnamon. I always grab the biggest stick because, you guys, it is going to be really good. I'm gonna break this with my knife. Because if you guys break it, it's just going to have a better taste. Everything that we already put in there, we put the soy sauce, the sugar, the rice wine vinegar, or the marinade, whatever you call it, and the cinnamon stick. I am going to put my star anise in there. And it's okay if there's big chunks in there, because when we cook it, we're gonna drain all the good stuff. So that's why you want to marinate the chicken, because all this good stuff is going to aroma together. It's gonna be so good. So ginger, here we go. Lots of ginger. I love ginger. And then the garlic cloves. You guys, I can't wait for this. It is so yummy. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the onion. I was gonna say the turkey. It's not the turkey, it's the onion. Half of it. So we are going to let this sit for a little bit until we get the chicken ready. Until I take it out of the bag and wash it. And then we are ready to rock and roll, you guys. Let this marinate for 24 hours. Okay, so let me take the chicken out, wash it, and then I will be right back. Don't you worry, I'll be right back. So my chicken is washed and ready. Here is my sauce, my yummy, yummy sauce. What I am going to do is put the chicken in there and stir it around, let it dance for a little bit. Like that. And then we're just gonna turn it like that. Ooh, 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 ooh. You want all the good stuff in there. Okay, good, good. I did not drop anything. Okay, so make sure your chicken is in there. And make sure that there's some sauce that goes into the actual chicken, like the cavity. Yes, yes. And then what you want to do is these onion, you want to put it in there, because the onion is going to bring out that flavor, not the cinnamon. It's going to bring out that good flavor. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. So I am going to do breast down. And make sure all your ingredients are in the sauce. So we are going to turn it this way, and then tomorrow morning before I go to work, I'm gonna turn the chicken so both sides get the coating, and then when I get home I will cook the chicken that way so it's got good coating. That's why you want a lot of that soy sauce, you know. Just gotta make sure that everything is coated. You can put stuff like between the wings too. Like you can put garlic in there, you can put onions, you know, it's just so that the meat is tasty. Don't mind that girl, she's gonna get her ball, so she's kind of loud. But I am going to put saran wrap over it and just put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna wash my hands, and I will see you guys tomorrow when I get home. I hope that you guys enjoy this recipe and enjoy making it with me as I did with you guys. That is all that I have. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.